This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a paper.
This is a paper.
This is a clue.
This is a clue.
This is a tape.
This is a tape.
This is a chalk.
This is a chalk.
This is a crayon.
This is a crayon.
This is a marker.
This is a marker.
This is an eraser.
This is an eraser.
This is a ruler.
This is a ruler.
This is a ruler. This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a notebook.
This is a notebook.
This is a sharpener.
This is a sharpener.
This is a school bag.
This is a school bag.
This is a paintbrush.
This is a paintbrush.
This is a paint palette.
This is a paint palette.
This is a clipboard.
This is a clipboard.
This is a sticky note.
This is a sticky note.
This is a paper clip.
This is a clipper clip.
This is a stapler.
This is a stapler.
This is a notebook. Paper. This is a notebook.
Paper.
This is a calculator.
Calculator.
This is a calculator.
Calculator.
This is a globe.
This is a globe.
This is a divider.
This is a divider.
This is a compass.
This is a compass.
This is a protractor.
This is a protractor.
This is a bed.
This is a bed.
This is a closet.
This is a closet.
This is a desk.
This is a desk.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
This is a drawer.
This is a drawer.
This is a pillow.
This is a pillow.
This is a blanket.
This is a blanket.
This is a sheet.
This is a sheet.
This is a teddy bear. This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a mirror.
This is a mirror.
This is a mirror.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a nightlight.
This is a nightlight.
This is a toy.
This is a toy.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a rug.
This is a rug.
This is a shelf.
This is a shelf.
This is a picture.
This is a picture.
My bedroom. So many things I love.